Brand new. Apps freeze mid-task. Calls cut out. Every tap takes 3 seconds. The phone he loved is unrecognizable. The clerk shrugs. It's old, just upgrade. That shrug has been part of the plan since 1924. In the 1920s, lamps commonly burned for over 2,000 hours. Makers competed on how long they'd last. To be fair, brighter filaments genuinely run hotter and die sooner. That physics is real, not a conspiracy angle. Livermore's fire station has a bulb burning since 1901, so the cap was always a choice, not chemistry. In 2017, benchmark data confirmed what Ravi had felt for months. His iPhone had quietly slowed after iOS updates, running strong for over a year, until system updates hit and performance cratered from 90 down to 30. Apple's fix once forced public: a $29 battery swap and a software toggle, not a new phone. John Deere loaded their tractors with software locks so airtight that independent mechanics couldn't even run diagnostics. And some farmers responded by downloading bootleg Ukrainian firmware just to fix machines they had already paid for. Apple launched its self-service repair program in 2022 under pressure. But when the kit arrived, it weighed 79 pounds, roughly as heavy as a microwave, just to swap a single phone battery. In 2021, the FTC studied this and found almost no safety justification for blocking repairs. New York, Minnesota, and California have since put repair rights into law, with more states watching. 3 eras, 1 through line. Phoebus broke the product in 1924, iOS hid the slowdown in 2017, and today's DRM locks out anyone trying to fix it. That silence came with a price tag: $500 million in U.S. settlements by 2020, plus separate fines in Italy and France, not for slowing the device, but for not telling anyone. Ravi's device is the latest chapter, from homeowners replacing bulbs that died on schedule in 1925, to the farmer who needed unlicensed code just to fix his own machine in 2023. Ravi doesn't have to take the clerk's word for it. Open settings, tap battery, then battery health. That single percentage is the real diagnosis, not a sales pitch. If it reads below 80%, a $29 cell swap is the whole story, not the $1,000 device the store was built to sell you instead. They stopped needing to break it. They just made sure you couldn't keep it working. So back right to repair laws in New York, Minnesota, and your own state to start reversing that. Subscribe for more of the history hiding in your everyday life.